everyone, welcome to KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. So in our previous video, we have already discussed about this column chart, right? So when we have a categorical value and with respect to categorical value, if we want to represent the numerical value, so this is the representation, okay? So from this, I have a question, okay? So now it's good, right? Readability is also good. With respect to technology, I'm able to see how much is the sales with respect to furniture, what is the sales, and with respect to office supplies, what is the sales. Now the requirement is for the same sales value, I want to see in terms of percentage. So from the overall sales, what is the percentage of sales with respect to technology? What is the percentage of sales with respect to furniture? And percentage of sales with respect to office supplies. So for this scenario, for this use case, we cannot go with the same column chart. So we have to learn we have to go with some new chart. So we will learn two different charts today, okay, which deals with the percentage of value. So this kind of scenario where we face, right, where we need the percentage of value with respect to particular categorical value. We'll go with this pie chart first today. So here you can see the pie chart, right? First I'll drag and drop the skeleton of the pie chart. So this will be the pie chart. And here same thing, right? With respect to category, instead of seeing the sales value, I want to see the sales value in terms of percentage. So I'll go to this chart and in the form you can see, right? I have to fill the form now. So I'll take the category and the same sales value I want to see in terms of percentage, right? So I'll drag and drop the sales value to here. So now you are able to make out, right? So with respect to technology, this is the sales value and this is the percentage. With respect to furniture, this is the sales value and this is the percentage. Means when you add this percentage, right, 31.3 percentage, 36.4 percentage and 32.3 percentage, it will contribute to 100%. So from the overall sales value, these three categories are distributed with respect to this percentage. So here my requirement is satisfied. The same thing which where I am not able to see in terms of percentage, I have achieved this through pie chart. Okay, so this is fine. So when you have less categorical value, this is okay. Okay. So in this same thing, if I want to check, okay, country wise sales, how much it is making, or state wise, if I want to see that, let's check that, okay. So if I am adding the state means we are having almost 49 states for this data set. So I mean, yesterday we have already seen, right, like what all the, this is the data set where we are having superstore data set, where we are having the order information and customer information. So if here we see, we almost have 49 states actually. So when we are taking this kind of fields, right, for the representation in pie chart, this is not readable. Are you able to make out anything from from this? What is the percentage of sales happening at California? What is the percentage of sales happening at New York, Texas, Washington? So this is not readable, right? We are not able to see this properly. It's not giving that readability. See here, everything is messed up. We are unable to figure out how much is the sales percentage with respect to percentage of sales for each of the state. So the takeaway from here is when you have a limited number of categorical level, right? Say suppose this category column I am taking, we only have 3 levels in this: technology, furniture and office supplies. In this case, the readability is good. Let's take one more field also. Let's take region. So if I drag and drop region also, this is also fine because we only have four levels in this, right? West region, east, central, and south. So when we have limited number of categorical levels, this is the readability is completely good. We are able to understand the story behind the data. So West region is making 31.58 percentage of the total sales. East region is making 29.55 percentage of the total sales. And central region 21.82% and south region 17.05%. So let's note down our takeaways. Okay. So this is good when the categorical then the category level will be less than some 5. When the category is less than 5 means when we have more number of values, right? As we saw the state, it was going up on a toss. So we are not able to understand and the readability is also not good. And we have seen one categorical plus one numerical in terms of percentage. So now let's see one more case as well. So this is fine. Okay. So region wise, how much is the percentage of sales making that we have seen. Okay. So now we also have some additional information, details column is there, right? Additional information also we can make out. So in these details, I want to see, okay, region wise sales percentage, this is fine. Within the region and each category, what is the sales happening? So I can drag and drop the sales category to the details field in this form. So here if you see, if I mouse over here in the tooltip you can see. So this black you're seeing, right? In this black pop-up you are able to see, right? Region category sales. So this is called the tooltip. So in this tooltip you can see for West region, within the West region, so this blue color is West region. Here you can see within the West region what is the furniture sales happening. So 2,52,612. So this is the sales happening with respect to the furniture in the West region, which is contributing to 11 percentage of the total sales. So yeah, when we have an additional information or when we add the legend, right? This is looking good. Readability is also good. Why? Because both the categorical values where we have used or having less levels means only three or four categorical values we had, right? So the readability is good. But what is the disadvantage here is now whatever the sales value or the percentage value you are seeing, so within the West region and for the furniture, it is giving the percentage with respect to the overall sales values. Say suppose now furniture or office supplies and technology, this has to give the percentage with respect to West. So when I add this 11 percentage of furniture and 9.61 percentage of office supplies and 10.97 percentage of technology, this actually has to contribute to 100% with respect to the West technology. But here we are not getting that values, right? Because this percentage value is distributed across the overall sales. But we wanted this with respect to particular West region, particular East region, Central region. For each of the region, the percentage should be divided to 100%, which we are not able to achieve here. So we do have one more chart to achieve this that we will see in the later session. Okay. So this is also possible. one categorical plus one categorical. This is legend, means giving some extra value with one numerical in terms of percentage value. So similar to pie chart, we also have one more chart, okay, that is called donut chart. So I am dragging the skeleton here. This is the skeleton of the donut. So it's similar to pie chart only. So in legend, same. I am dragging and dropping the category to the legend. And then I always make sure that values field here you have to drag and drop the values column only. So what we have here, it's sales. So sales. So if you see the difference, right? So let's remove this one. So what is the difference you are seeing with respect to pie chart and donut chart? Both are same. Both are giving the value, sales value, as well as the percentage of sales with respect to overall sales. Same thing only. Maybe the readability is little better. This is like full. It is completely filled, and here you are seeing some empty space. And readability wise also, this is looking good. So one categorical value with respect to sales, we are able to achieve here. So this is fine. This is completely fine. Now let's add a categorical value which is having more levels. Okay, let's take this state. State has more values, right? 49 states. So same thing, whatever we have seen previously in pie chart, right? Same thing when we have more values, right? More categorical values in this field, then it is going on toss. We are not able to understand, no readability at all. See, what is this 28.6%? Which state is giving this sales? What is the percentage value? Nothing. We are not at all able to figure out, and readability though it's completely gone. So we are not able to understand what is the data, what is the story behind this data. So in donut also same thing. The categorical values which we are using, it should have less than 5. So if it is more than 5, again readability is not good. So we will note down this. So same thing, this is good when we have the category level less than 5, and same here also we have achieved one categorical with respect to one numerical in terms of percentage. So say now let's also see one more field, right? Region wise also if I see. Okay, so this is also good. Why? Because in region also we have only 4 levels, right? West, east, central, and south. So it's pretty clear, and we are able to make out, like when you sum this percentage, right? 17 percentage, 17.05, 31.58, 29.55, and 21.82. This overall will contribute to 100%. So this is fine with respect to overall percentage when we want to distribute the percentage of sales with respect to particular categories. Here we, with respect to region, we are able to understand very clearly. So now, then what is the difference between pie chart and donut chart? What is the advantage of donut chart over pie chart is that, so here we can add one more chart also. So here you can see the space, right? In between we have some empty space. This we can fill it with some additional information, some other information. So overall sales is getting distributed across this region. But if I want to see what is that overall sales which is getting distributed across these regions, so for this I can add one more chart, okay? This is called card chart. So first let me drag and drop the card chart here. Okay, so this is the card chart. So in this card chart, I want to add the sales. So select this one, and in this fields form, right, you can add the sales. So what it is giving us? It is giving us the overall. It is giving us the overall sales value, which I can drag and drop in between this donut chart. This the So now this is looking better or this is looking better. So here though we cannot add any additional information, right? Uh, See, even if we drag and drop this card chart on top of this pie chart also, that look and feel is not that great. See, is it looking good? So this is not giving proper readability. So this is giving the readability is also good. So now I can easily make out, right? Overall sales is 2.30 million, out of which 31.58% is the overall sales with respect to West region, and 29.55 percentage is the sales happening at East region, and central region is contributing 21.82 percentage of this percentage of the sales with respect to this overall sales 2.30 million. So this way readability is also good, and more information you are able to see in this donut chart. um, so same thing, if you want to see with respect to, instead of region, if you want to see category wise sales, then that is also fine. Now the question is, this is fine. Okay. Now the question is, when you are adding some additional information similar to the pie chart, right? With respect to category and sales, that is fine. Now I am adding region also. So additional information I want. So now region wise also, if I want to see the sales. See, so this is the technology, this is furniture and office supply. So again, the same issue here we are facing, means when we are dividing, right? So this percentage of sales is happening with respect to overall, means 100. When you sum all these percentages, right, it will contribute to 100%, but that is not the case, right? That is not something we want. With respect to category, region wise, how it is distributed, means when I have to sum the values here, right, with respect to technology region, with respect to technology, this is technology central region, this is technology east region, technology south, and technology west. So when I sum these percentages, it has to contribute to 100% with respect to the particular category called technology. But here whatever the percentages we are seeing, it is getting distributed across all the categories, and then it is giving the region wise sales, which is not my actual requirement. So to overcome this drawback, right, we do have some other charts which we will discuss in the next videos. Okay. So the takeaways are like, here also you can achieve this. We have seen, right, one categorical plus one numerical with respect to percentage. We added one more categorical also with respect to category and with respect to region. So these are the takeaways for pie chart and the donut chart. So the disadvantages which we have faced here, we will be seeing this in the next videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.